G'day guys, what's going on? Ange here again. Welcome back to the channel. Now it's been a while since I've been out, and so what I'm going to do today is I've done a brushless upgrade and servo upgrade on my Blackzon Slayer. Now this thing was brushed, and I'll just take the cover off. Now it is a little bit congested in there at the moment, so normally a smaller battery would go where the ESC is, and so I've upgraded this ESC to a 45 amp, and I've got a little brushless motor in there. Hope you can see that. It's a 2845 3800 kV motor. Now I'm still running the original pinion and spur gear in this, so there wasn't much modification to do in terms of changing or modifying anything with the pinion and spur. So pretty much everything just slotted straight in. A little bit of grinding and a little bit of cutaway of plastic, but that's about it. The transmitter receiver's in there, and an upgraded steering servo as well, which is there, which I had to do a bit of a tight fit on that one, but I made it work. And these front lights don't work anymore, so they're gone, and the battery, as you can see, is sitting on the top now. So I'll just be running this on 2S. We're going to do some speed tests today, but for today we're just going to be running it on this nice flat road. It's a nice quiet day today, so we'll get this body on and we'll give it a run. All right, we've got steering and we've got throttle. All right, let's give this a shot. And before I do anything else, you got to be smart enough if I actually put on my speed controller. So I've got that on 0, it's on peak speed, and that's recording now. And let's see how we go on 2S. All right, so no cars, get this thing going. Trims a little bit to the right, I'll just fix that up. Get to pass those speed humps. It's not a bad flat road here. Just get to pass those speed humps, and then we'll give it full throttle. Make sure no one's coming. Half throttle, full throttle. Now these tyres are bigger. They're probably not ideal for these kind of speed runs. They're more for bashing, but this is all I've got at the moment. Nice. All right, we'll bring this one back and we'll see what we've got. Handle's pretty good. Like the tyres are making it throw around a little bit, but it's not too bad at all. Give it one more pass, and it's so much more better on the brushless system. All right, let's see what we've got. So 51 kilometers an hour, 51 on 2S. So that's with the upgraded brushless system and stock standard gearing. And also I've got to be careful, I am still running plastic front and rear differentials, so I do need to be careful of that. Whoa, and that's how much power it's got on 2S. So imagine what this thing's going to be doing on 3S. Oh jeez. All right guys, before I make any more damage, I'm going to change this over to 3S, and we'll do a 3S run and see how we go with that. Alright, so I'm going to be using a 1500 milliamp, this is my Z powered battery, 3S 120C. So we're going to jam this one in and see how we go for 3S. Speed, peak time, it's on record, stick that on the top. Alright, let's see how we go. So just confirm we're on 0, ready to go. So we've got 51 on the 2S system, the 2S battery I should say. So let's see how we go on 3S. A quarter throttle, half throttle, full throttle, and didn't even make it to 3/4 throttle. Geez, this thing's just got a lot of power now. Wow. All right, let's go see what we got for now. But I'm going to really have to ease onto this real slow. All right, 61 kilometers an hour, and lost another R pin. Fantastic. This isn't going to work for me, so I need to try and find my other R pin because my cover's just going to keep on blowing off. All right guys, next best thing, the good old electrical tape. So I've lost all my R pins. They're on the road here somewhere and I'll never be able to find them because God knows where they've gone. But let's do another speed run. So 61 on 3/4 throttle. Let's see if we can do any better and without doing any backflips at 3/4. All right, come on. No, oh, geez. Wow, this thing's just got too much power. As soon as that 3/4 throttle kicks in, I just can't keep this thing on the ground. And my speed meter is destroyed, I guarantee that. What do we got this time? 61 again. All right, let's give it another shot. I just can't keep this thing, keep it on the ground. All right guys, so 63 kilometers an hour and on 3/4 throttle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it there because number one, I'm going to wreck my speed meter, and number two, I can't keep this thing on the ground. Looks like I'm going to need a spoiler or something on the front, a little bit more downforce weight on the front. So we'll put that speed meter away, give it a bit of a play and see how we go. Great. Great fun. I'll have to get this out in the grass. Oh. And I thought the 3800 kV wasn't enough. Mate, this thing's just a weapon. Definitely gonna have to put some wheelie bars on this one. Alright, ready? Stand still, backflip. Nice. Not nice. Try it again. Oh, broken it. I knew it happened. One of my diffs are gone. I knew that was going to happen. Broke the rear differential. Oh no, snapped a, here we go. Not so bad. Snapped me dry shaft at the back because they're only plastic. There we go, fell straight out. So upgrade coming soon. New CVDs, they're all going to be in metal if I can find them. But apart from that, that's going to be it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed it. 63 kilometers an hour on 3S and 51 on 2S, but I couldn't get it any faster because this thing just kept on back flipping. So that's going to be it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.